the wise old owl who was sitting in his tree. Suddenly, he heard some strange noises in the forest below. It sounded like someone was having a big fight. Who could it be? Who couldn't see very well from up in his tree, so he flew down to investigate. As he was flying through the forest, he saw the most amazing thing. There was a tiny little drone with bright blue lights flashing on it hidden under a log. This wasn't just any drone. This drone had powerful magic inside of it. It was a drone of wisdom. Whoever had this drone would have great knowledge about the future. But before Who could investigate further, he heard a voice behind him. Well, what do we have here? If it isn't the great and powerful Who? And what's this I see in your talons? The drone of wisdom. It was Fang, a villain with a big grudge against Who. He wanted the drone of wisdom for himself so he could use its powers for evil. Fang, I found this drone first, Who said, and besides, you're not even supposed to be in the cloud forest. You'll get lost. Oh, I know exactly where I'm going, Fang said with a wicked grin. And there's nothing you can do to stop me. Fang swooped down and tried to grab the drone from Who's talons, but Who was too quick for him. He flew into the forest with Fang right behind him. As they were flying, Fang called out, "You can't hide forever, Who. And besides, why don't you just give up? I'm much stronger than you are." "I'll never give up the drone of wisdom," Who replied. "It's too important. I have to hide it from you." They dodged through the trees until they came to a clearing. In front of them was a huge waterfall. To the right of the waterfall was a cave. That was the only way left. Who knew that Fang would never go into the cave because it was full of spiders? But it was also the only way to get away from him. Who flew into the cave. On the other side of the cave was another clearing. Who quickly hid the drone under some leaves. Then he flew back the way he came. He didn't want Fang to know that he had found the clearing. When Fang flew past the cave, he looked around. "Where did that stupid owl go?" he said. Just then, he noticed the clearing. He flew over to it and looked around. "Maybe he hid the drone over there," he said. He searched all around the clearing, but he couldn't find the drone anywhere. Just then, he saw the leaves move. He swooped down and said, "Got you." But it wasn't Who. It was just a baby drone pilot who had come to look for the drone of wisdom. "What are you doing here, little one?" Fang asked. "You shouldn't be in the cloud forest. It's too dangerous." "I'm looking for the drone of wisdom," the baby said. "Can you help me?" "Of course," Fang said, pretending to be nice. He led the baby drone to the waterfall and then turned to his evil side. "Now I've got you," he said. But the baby drone pilot was too quick for him. He dodged Fang and flew into the cave. Fang wasn't fast enough to follow him. When Fang realized that he had been tricked, he let out a big roar. But the baby drone pilot had already flown away. Baby drone pilot found the drone. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.